If you're tired of eating plain Greek yogurt or just want a good tasting dessert, I've got the recipe for you today. This Greek yogurt lemon cake has 14 grams of protein per slice, doesn't use any protein powder, and only takes one bowl to make. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll mix our ingredients while the oven heats up. Grab a large bowl to mix everything together. Add 3 cups of plain non-fat Greek yogurt to the bowl. Whole milk will give you the best texture, but the recipe still works with non-fat as you'll see here. Crack open and add 6 large eggs. Add 1/3 a cup of honey. If you want to make this with no added sugar, you can swap in half a cup of a calorie-free sweetener instead. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add the zest from 1 lemon. Squeeze in the juice from that same lemon. Whisk all of those ingredients together until you have a smooth batter. Then we'll add the remaining dry ingredients. Add half a cup of cornstarch. You can also use arrowroot powder if you prefer. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And finally, add a pinch of salt. Whisk everything together until it's completely smooth with no lumps. Take out a 9-inch springform pan, then either line it with parchment paper or give it a light spray of oil like I'm doing here. Pour the batter into your springform pan and lightly smooth the top out. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 70 minutes. You'll want the edges to turn golden and the center to be slightly jiggly. Once it's done baking, remove the cake from the oven and then let it cool in the pan for about 15 minutes. Once it's done cooling, we'll want to cover it and then let it chill in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours. Once it's done chilling and you're ready to serve your cake, remove it from the fridge. You can optionally add a light dusting of powdered sugar on top like I'm doing here. Then you're good to go with your Greek yogurt lemon cake. Store any leftovers in the fridge for up to 4 days. This makes for a great high protein dessert that you can meal prep. Slice it into however many slices you prefer. I'm slicing mine into 8 pieces for today. If you're interested in seeing any other Greek yogurt cake flavors or have any requests, let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high protein dessert recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.